When Bugatti decided to achieve the world record, they built a special edition car. They broke the record actually with the 1,001 horsepower Veyron 16.4 at 253 miles an hour. But yet again, Bugatti wanted to break the world record. In 2010, they broke the record again at 267 miles an hour with the Veyron Supersport. In 2019, they broke the record again. They built the Chiron Supersport at 304 miles per hour. Of these last two world records, they built special editions. Cars that were exclusively sold to the best customers who had profiles excessive of more than one Veyron or more than one Chiron or a multitude of additional cars. They built 5 world record edition Veyron Supersports, and they built 30 world record edition Chirons. Both very hard cars to get, both iconically positioned with exposed carbon fiber bodies, distinctive orange tones to signify their world records. And if you look actually into the grille, you'll notice the iconic Bugatti Chiron logo is done in black. And that is exclusively only left for the world record cars. And of the 5 Veyron Supersport WRE cars, as they call it for short, 2 came to North America. 1 was originally sold by us, still retained by its original owner. And then another car that went to the West Coast, which we were very fortunate to buy from a very great family. Someone who cherished this car, took incredible care of it since and from new. And here it is going into a very, very beautiful collection. And the Veyron Supersport is unique, mainly in due that it's the only iteration of the 4 iterations of Veyron that does not have the tall air intakes. And with that, this is perhaps the pinnacle of engineering, artistry, exclusivity, and not many have seen one of these cars up close and personal. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. Driven by Andy Wallace in 2019, Andy piloted the car to 304 miles an hour. 30 examples would be built. Again, 9 to come to North America. Of the 9, only 1 car had sky glass up on the roofline. And same tradition, a black Chiron logo, black carbon fiber this time versus gray carbon fiber, strong orange stripes, orange on the 12 o'clock of the wheel, orange EB logos, orange accenting in the racing seats, and just a strong and dynamic body. And on the center of the console area, there's a beautiful plaque that was personally signed by Andy Wallace, the driver who took this car to a world record. These cars will live together in history, which is a very special moment. Both have matching, almost matching VIN numbers, as they were specially requested by the original owner from new. And it's quite a sight to see. We at Bugatti of Greenwich, division of Miller Motorcars, are very fortunate to also be a service partner of excellence for Bugatti, meaning that we're one of 5 locations in the world that do additional service and repairs and technical work for the brand. In 2021, we were awarded the world's most successful dealer for the brand. We're very active. We're looking forward to seeing these cars go to a great home, and we thank the new owner and everyone involved to make this special transition and moment in history possible. And thank you from everyone, and enjoy.